Women don't like the sex that they're getting.
Yup.
I'm not letting that go.
Sheesh.
Oh, we talking about the walls, we talking about the cheeks today, y'all. We talking about the cheeks.
Oh, Mike Darkers, you know, Mike Darkers used to make me moist when I watched the show. I admit it.
Welcome
To the J&O Show.
We talk about
Things that we were never told. I'm Jay.
And I'm O.
Now you know. What up?
Right. So today, guys, we're actually going to be reacting to a short. I'm just going to jump right into it.
Women don't like the sex that they're getting.
Yup.
I'm not letting that go.
It still fits.
Because I agree with this 1,000%.
Yeah.
And I wanna unpack that more. The husband feels like his wife is not as sexual as he would like her to be, or doesn't perform like he wants her to perform. In 47 and a half years of living and close to 30 years of ministry, I think I've only heard 2 women ever say, I am not satisfied with my partner.
No, they've given that up. They've relinquished that their satisfaction has bearing on it.
Has bearing on it?
My satisfaction doesn't matter. Like, that's what walks in my office all the time. Like, it has no bearing on the equation. We just have to keep him happy.
And this is and this is the disproportionate. This is why I made the statement. 2 out of 30 years,
Yeah.
Close to 30
I think
years,
that
right?
those 2 brave women.
2 brave women out of however many couples.
Wow. You can start with that one if you want to. you can start with it if you want to.
Sheesh.
Oh, we talking about the walls, we talking about the cheeks today, y'all. We talking about the cheeks.
Oh, Mike Darkers, you know, Mike Darkers used to make me moist when I watched the show. I admit it.
I knew I was going to get her to talk about it.
Really?
Go ahead and talk about the walls, girl. Go ahead.
I think what they're saying is true. I think what the lady was saying is true because, I mean, think about it. We hear all the time that Black men need sex. It's all about they need it. They cheat all the time because they need to have all this, that, and the third. So it's just like, okay, as my duty as a wife, like I have to make sure that I give him that, regardless of whether or not you're in the mood.
Damn.
Regardless of whether or not you want to necessarily, but you're doing it out of duty. I mean, yes, you love your spouse, but you also know that that's a need that needs to be filled. So I definitely understand that women would be just like, okay, well, I'm doing this because I know I have to, and I'm not necessarily getting my needs met, but that's okay because I'm doing it out of my duty, you know, as a spouse. So I agree with that.
As far as that's concerned, do I think that is true? Yeah, there's going to come a time because of the frequency that men like to have sex. It's going to be a bunch of times during the course of your relationship where women are going to let you go ahead and do what you got to do because you got to get that monkey off your back. And we've already, we got to put out that video, the Miles Monroe.
We still ain't put it out.
Men need.
Not want.
Not want. Need, because it is necessary for a man to function. Once y'all start, not before y'all start, once y'all start and y'all get married, it's a need, not a want, but a need to function. A want is optional. You don't need it to function. You just want something. You might be fixated on it, but you don't need it. So there will come a time where it'll just be like, as a woman, you'll just be like, oh my gosh, I'm so sick. Oh my God. Go ahead, boo. And I'm gonna keep it a buck. That's a part of the general trade-off between men and women. One of the things that women bring a guy to continue to keep him monogamous, because the issue is not just you're doing it because you have to, because he's the man and he's in control. It's not that. It's about keeping his eyes fixated on you.
Right.
If too much time lapses, his eyes will start to wander because his hormones is going crazy. If I were to liken it to anything, just imagine, ladies, for those of you who have really bad monthlies, just imagine how hard it would be to concentrate on anything if your monthly never stopped. It just went from all the way up to the worst, then back down to light, then back to worse. There are no days off. It just stays like that. You know, and if you don't actually help him get that monkey off his back, that high, when the cramps are the worst, when the bleeding is the heaviest, It just stays there and it never comes down. There's no release until he releases. So that's a part of the reason that is there. So there will come a time, but there has to be reciprocity. Like where you got to have a conversation. She'll have a conversation with her brother. He's like, babe, we ain't done nothing in a minute. Ain't nothing. We ain't went nowhere. We ain't had no dinner. She don't even ask for a lot. We ain't went to the movies. We ain't had a stay in date night where we just sitting in the living room and we do it, watch some TV instead of going to the movie. We did nothing. It's been a long time. And my response is always be like, at first I'll be like, Dad, babe, you know I work. We just be working. You work all day. I work all night. We got the kids. Then we got to take care of the house. Then we got to take care of the car. We ain't got no time. Ain't nobody got time for that. Bruh. It ain't because I don't want to, but we ain't got no time. And then I got to be like, okay, we got to find time now. And here's the big difference between men and women. Women like to invest in memory.
Yes.
And that ties into this. This is a part of the reason why women like traveling and they like going to new places and stuff. They invest in memory. Men tend to invest memories, men aren't as much into that. We like to invest in things that I'm gonna see tomorrow. Like if I'm not gonna see this tomorrow, investing in it becomes very difficult. We do invest in things like women do, but we're not as big in investing in memory as they are. Like we'll go to the basketball game and we'll go to the poker game with our boys. We'll have some things that we do, but it's not as important to us as it is to them. There has to be a back and forth. Let's say y'all get together, I don't know, 2 to 3 days a week. Yo, one of those days out the week, bro, extra mile. Let's say y'all ain't got the money right now. What you broke? Because some of y'all getting married, you get married, you 22, y'all still trying to figure out how y'all gonna pay for this apartment that y'all just got 3 months ago. Yep. So, you don't really got money to go out, just get some candles. If you ain't got turn the lights down. Use the television as the lighting so that you could turn the actual light off. Just put the TV on and let the light from the TV go. Turn it all the way down now.
Make it work.
Yeah, turn the volume all the way down so it's not bothering you. Put on some music and just give her a rub down, bro. Get some lotion. You maybe you so broke you can't even get no massage oil. Bro, get some lotion, man. You know what I'm saying? And just give her a little rub down, bro. Put the finger all up in the toes. This is for the long term. She got to be worth it now. This ain't how to treat your side chick. This ain't how to treat the girl that y'all just smashing. This ain't how to treat. This is for the one that's worth it, that done did the thing, that deserves. This is for the wife. Okay, go on. Get up in the toe crevices and rub in there. You know what I'm saying? Get the little bunny and little things that be inside the toe. Just pluck them out there for her. You know what I'm saying?
Really?
You know what I'm saying? Go on, get the sweat up under the boob, man, and rub all of that out. No, but seriously, like do something to let her know that you appreciate her. Because if she's giving herself to you like that multiple times a week, probably, like show some reciprocity, man. Do something to try to keep the burning alive. That was a wrong words. Keep the burning alive. Hell no. Don't nobody feel like getting burnt. That kind of burn. Nobody trying to get burnt. We don't want carpet burn either. Carpet burn, you can get that happy too, but that's all bad as well. But something to keep the fire stoked so that she just feels special and that she knows that you appreciate her making sure that you are taken care of. We just be on 10 for a good 30 years. It's just is what it is. And then we come down to 9 for the next 5 years. And then we at 8 for the next 5 years. So
it's a slow fall.
It's a slow.
Oh, God, please.
It's just a part of marriage, and it's just something that you have to try to work through with each other and figure out how to work around certain things and communicate. Because we will go a certain amount of time and nothing will happen. And she'll be like, babe, really? And I got to be like, you know what? Yeah, it's been a minute. We ain't did nothing. Because we working on stuff. You know. You see this setup? That's work. Shoot.
Yeah. You like our setup?
Man, we trying.
Don't talk about my flowers.
Oh man, we've been discussing these flowers, babe. This flower thing, we got to get some fake flowers that ain't gonna die on us, cause I don't know what's gonna happen. Come fall, cause they gonna fall. So we gonna figure it out, y'all. All right, that's all I got to say. You want to add something in?
Just that this is the channel for married people,
by married people, and for people who want to be married.
So if you guys are enjoying the content, if you're picking up what we're putting down, go ahead and drop us a like, put us a comment, let us know your thoughts. So that way we can know what you guys want to hear more.
Yes. Please give us suggestions, because we tend to lean a lot more towards crazy modern women stuff on here, but I know it's a lot of crazy modern dudes out there. Because
Yes.
some of y'all be tripping.
Yes.
So we really need y'all to send us some stuff. So, cause the way my feed's set up, right, it's only look, I'm still coming out of the pearl phase. So you know how my feed look. So throw us some stuff so we can see some crazy stuff on the other side too.
Yeah.
And drop us stuff for like specific relationship based stuff that you guys feel that you want to help you stay in a relationship or work towards marriage, because that's what this channel is about.
Yes.
You know?
And soon, hopefully soon, we're going to put a survey out because we really want to hear from you guys. We want to hear from our community. We want to give you what you want. So that way, you know, we can make sure that we're scratching that itch, you know, things that you really want to know about. We really want to be able to help serve you guys as our community, because we do appreciate you all.
Yes.
We really appreciate the, you know, the comments, the back and forth, the good and the bad. Sometimes y'all be wilding. Somebody commented on our grass in the intro. I'm like, dang, bro, for real? Why you gotta be getting on our grass? You know what I'm saying? That was a rental property we had.
Yeah.
Anyway, but no.
Here's the kicker. Our actual grass that we own looks worse.
No, it's better.
It's better on that side than on that side. But on this side, it's sad. I don't know what happened to that side.
I don't know. Just listen.
That's new home blues right there.
We from
boy.
Jersey. We don't really do the lawn care like that. You know what I'm saying?
Not at all.
I'm trying with my flowers and stuff.
And those is dying anyway, so you see how that's going.
Just pray for us. We working on it, all right? But yeah, let us know what y'all think down below. And if you do have something, don't forget, comment #NextShow. So that way we can know that that's a show idea that you want. All right? But yeah, that's going to be it. Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Till next time, deuces. Okay. Trying to pull me close.
Yup. That had absolutely nothing to do with the fact that I felt like you need to be over in the shot. Nothing. It was because I want you close. Anyway. So,
so silly.
See, y'all don't see she scooted.
Well, because I mean,
that. No, okay. No. I'm not mad about it. They didn't see that.
I'm saying, why you trying to act like you don't want to be next to me?
Oh my gosh. Y'all don't know she does this all the time. Oh, funny story, guys. It was before we were dating the very first time. It was before we was dating the very first time, right? And so we're young. We haven't confessed that we like each other yet. So we're young. We're both teenagers. We haven't confessed anything. We go to a church program after hanging out at her house for a little while. It was like an after church program. And we go back to church. We gonna go? Yeah, we gonna go. We go back up there. We sitting there. We chilling. I think at this time, I don't remember if Dee Dee was there. One of our people. I think it was just me and you. I don't remember what. I know my brother wasn't there. But anyway, I don't remember who else was there. That's how crazy the thing. We don't even remember who else was there. We wasn't thinking,
because usually that's our crew.
We wasn't seeing nobody. We don't know who the heck came. She sat down, bro. When I tell you, we sat in the chair. I sat down first, right? I got all comfortable, and she sat, and she was like, boom. I was sitting there. I was like,
word.
Yo, I can't move. I was sitting there. I was like, yo, I can't move. Bro, I was sitting there.
He could have moved his arm. He didn't want to.
I'm not. She's right. Because we had not told each other how we felt yet.
Right.
But yo, that junk was so funny. I always pick with her. I remember that time you sat down to me. You ain't let me move my left arm. Like I couldn't move my left arm at all.
To be honest, when I sat down, I didn't calculate how close I was going to be sitting. But when I sat down and I realized how close I was like, dang. I'm like, do I move? Because if I move, I don't want to give them the wrong impression.
Yo, when I say we just sat there awkwardly, because mind you, she's not my girl. We haven't said we liked each other. We're not dating. We're not talking. We're nothing. We just supposed to be cool.
Yes.
So I'm not in a position to just go. Now she did that, I would just bring it in, right? Back then, oh man, that junk was funny. I pick with her about that all the time. Anyway, I should not have done that because I should be watching this.
Press the off button.